Alrighty, welcome to another installment of me unpacking my auto ship silver coins that I get every month. Although today is December 13th, Friday the 13th. It's a special day today for me and my family. For those who know what that day is. It's also Santa Lucia, patron saint, I believe, of Syracuse in Sicily. So happy saint name day to those. And it's also, if you're not aware why we have Friday the 13th, two crusaders were rounded up by King Philip. I don't know if I got the year right, but I think it's 1305 or 1306. King Philip rounded up all the crusaders Friday the 13th of 1306. Let's just go with that year. And that's why we have Friday the 13th. Anyway, enough of my history and knowledge about useless things. Let me show you the two coins that I got for this month. These were from November, so I'm really behind on this one. So let's show you what I got. All right, here are the two packets I got them in, and oh, look what we got here. So I don't know if you can see this. I'm using a new camera. I'm still trying to figure it out, so if I go in and out of focus, I apologize. So this is the 2024 Gibraltar Lady Justice 2024. In the back, you see the coat of arms of Gibraltar. It's a 1 troy ounce, and it's 0.999 fine silver. Now I did a video, two videos, in regards to these terms or terminology. If you want to check them out, just scroll through my YouTube channel and you'll see them. So let's open up the second one, and if the pattern stays the same, I probably got the same one. So and yes, I did. So here's the other one. So I did get two of them, so you can see. That's the front, back, and these are pretty nice, actually. I know I have one. I know I have a couple of these, but I never really looked at them. Look, the back of this is really intricate. The coat of arms of Gibraltar is pretty nice. So anyway, this is probably my last video of the year, unless I can think of something to do. Maybe I'll do a video on my top 5 Christmas movies. I did a video about a month ago, 2 months ago, top 5 scariest movies for Halloween. I know it's not silver related, but trying to expand my YouTube channel to something other than just silver, even though the main focus will be on silver. So if you guys have any comments, suggestions, ideas, please drop them in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The more subscribers I get, the more content I'll be able to put out. So that's really it. So listen, it's a great time of the year. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy and healthy New Year to everybody. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.